Hey everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you love seeing what very small YouTubers get from their very friendly, lovely, loyal subscribers, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Alright, so first of all, shout out to Nola. Nola has been one of my subscribers and supporting me and my channel for a really long time. She watches every single one of my videos and comments, not once, not twice, but multiple times. Nola, I appreciate you and your support for my channel. As you may or may not know, depending on how long you've been following me, I am what you may or may not call maybe picky, or I have a certain style or taste for shades of products. I'm not super adventurous. I don't wear very dark shades of lip products. Anyways, there's a lot of stuff I unbox or receive or get in mystery boxes or subscription boxes where I'm like, it's beautiful, but I'm not going to wear it. So it's always set aside for a future giveaway. Well, I pay for all this myself. So sometimes it's nice to do a trade. So I don't know if you've noticed, but lately I've been like, hey, if anyone's interested, let me know if you'd like to trade. So I will set certain products aside for certain viewers. I have a couple other, hey Amber, where I'm currently working on. I know what they like. We connect via DMs or emails, and I just set it aside, and they're doing the same. So if you're interested, or if you ever see me talk about a product where I don't use it, powders, brow products, those are good examples. They're fantastic items. I just personally don't use or wear them. So just let me know. Send me a DM, email me, let me know, hey Julie, I saw you unbox something. I'm very interested. I would love to do a trade with you. All right, enough rambling. I am super excited. By the way, I sent her a box, which she's already unboxed. I will put some pictures on screen. She doesn't do YouTube, so pictures all you get. But this box weighs a ton. Inside the USPS box is another box from Sephora. Did she do a Sephora haul for me? No. But she shops Sephora a lot, and so she just used that box. Alright, it already smells so good. So there's some tissue paper. And then there's a little card. It says Julie Wygo with a little heart. And inside is a note. Oh, how sweet. By the way, no, I don't know if you want me to share the note. I will fold it in half, but I just want people to see. You have the most beautiful handwriting ever. So if you missed it a week or so ago, I posted my Sephora haul video. Sephora did me wrong. I don't know if anyone caught on that I didn't share any samples I got because they didn't put them in my box. So her note said that she knew that and threw in a couple extras. All right, I am rambling. Let's dive in. All right, so the first item here, I see Kayali, am I saying that correctly? She told me that she was going to put in a sample because she's always telling me how much she loves the perfumes from the Huda Kayali line, and I've never smelled them before. So, and it's a big, do you spend $125, whatever they cost, just to hope you like the scent? So she provided some samples for me. I'm super excited. And one of the samples she knows, thank you, Nola. She knows how much I love and enjoy Viktor and Rolf. This is Flower Balm Nectar. All right, I think I know what this smells like. I want to try on some new stuff, and I don't want it to mix in, but thank you. Here we have from Kayali, and this is Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. All right, before I smell that, I want to get to, there's a certain one I know she sent me, and I want to try that one first. Here is another perfume sample. This is from Alien Goddess, and it's Mugler. Oh, I've never heard of that. All right, how exciting. They also included a foundation sample from RMS Beauty. Not familiar with RMS, but yes, who doesn't love foundation samples? And this here is a good foundation sample. It's from Rare Beauty. Good in the sense where you get more than just one shade. That way if one's too light, one's too dark, you can kind of mix and match. All right, that was only the first item in the box, and there were about 6 little samples. Let's dive into the rest of this bad boy. What is this? It's super heavy, and I see Elemis. All right, so this is a Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. What is that? Yes, it's a sleeping mask. I need a sleeping mask. I probably own several, but if you only could see what's going on behind the scenes here, I just have box after box of just stuff dumped, and I really need to go through it. So yay, I don't have to dig through boxes because I just used up a face mask. This is what the product looks like. It's weighty, as you may or may not know. Elemis is quite bougie, and this is glass. Yay, thank you, Nola. All right, this here is from Illamasqua, and it's the Hydra setting spray. I love sprays. Let's see how good the mister is. Looks to be fine. Did I just get some in my eye? All right, here we go. It's a little aggressive, but I have a bottle that's a really super fine mist. So yay, thank you for the setting spray. All right, what do we have here? Ooh, this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this here is a waterproof creme color. Oh, is this the pot eyeliner? She told me some of the things when we were negotiating. Yes, I'm assuming this. Oh, look at that. Okay. Can't wait to give that a try. Is it Lazy Girl approved? No. But do I own numerous brushes that are intended for eyeliner? Yes. So how exciting I can actually have a pot gel product to use it in. All right, what else do we got? What is this? This here is from Studio Makeup, and it's a tinted moisturizer. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, and this is in the shade Mystery. Maybe it's on the actual tube. I am not seeing a shade, but I guess only one way to find out is to first shake it and just pump some on my hand and see what comes out. Right there. Oh, yes, that looks, whatever shade that is, looks like it's going to be a really good shade match. Awesome. Thank you. All right, next item, we have something from the Beauty Crop. It says Stuck on You. Oh, it's an eye primer. Let's open the packaging and see what she looks like. This is what it looks like. There is plastic wrap around the outside. I'm going to leave it on for now just because I have numerous, way too many open and going eye primers. But thank you, Nola. Yes, here is another product I was aware she was sending me. This is a tinted face oil from Kosas, and she has told me wonderful things about this. All right, this is in the shade 02 Porcelain with neutral undertones. She instructed me that this, first of all, you should shake it up. Second, it's extremely liquidy and lightweight, so do not use it over top of a primer. Just use it on its own. Let's see the match. Okay, so it is very liquidy. Ooh, yes. Is it glowy? I love a good glow. Ooh, it feels really nice. Almost like a face oil. Yes, thank you. I love complexion products. Are we even halfway done with the box? No. It's going to be a long video. All right, next item we have something from Tatcha. What is this? The Dewy Skin Cream. Is that a moisturizer? Doesn't seem to have a scent. It's kind of a light lilac white. I assume this is some kind of a face cream, which I love and enjoy. And it's a 10 ml sample. Yes. All right, next item. Are you going to be a lip product? What do we have here? This is from MAC. MAC. And it's an amplified creme lipstick in the shade Scratched Out. Oh, I think you told me the box doesn't go with the actual bullet if my really old lady brain memory is kicking in here. Okay, so this is in the shade Soft Kisses. Ooh, yes, right up my alley. All right, what do we have here that is wrapped up special in tissue paper? Ooh, there are 2 items and a note. What does this say? This is just a little sample. Oh, yes, yes, yes. She told me. Okay, so this one's brand new and this one is a little sample. Okay, they're both from Kayali. I'm butchering that. And this is the White Flower Perfume. And this one here is the Vanilla Orchid. All right, so this is the one she's been telling me about. And the reason I didn't sample the other one is because she said there's just a little bit left. She didn't have a sample size, but she really wanted me to smell what this smells like because she talks about it all the time. And, you know, it's really hard to describe scents. All right, here we go. Oh, didn't spray like I thought. All right, I'm just going to... Oh, there we go. I didn't push hard enough. Oh, interesting. Interesting meaning, I think it says vanilla, but I'm picking up more like a spice scent than a vanilla. But I've learned I shouldn't have smelled it straight away. You're supposed to spritz it and let it kind of mix with your chemistry for like 15 to 20 seconds. So let me unbox one more thing and then I'll come back and give it a sniff. By the way, Nola, leave me a comment. Is this a full-size bottle? It's way smaller than I thought. Is this the one that costs like $85 or is this a $125 bottle? Wow. Thank you so much. All right, what do we have here? Something packaged very well. It must be something that potentially could leak. Yes. Okay, so we have from Murad. This is a hydrating toner. She knows me. I love any kind of spritzer and Lazy Girl approved toner spritzer all in one. Thank you, Nola. Okay, back to, yes, very spicy, very sweet. I love it. All right, then, by the way, this whole room smells fantastic. All right, there's still more. Hang in there, people. All right, we have a lip product from Context. I swear I sent you one as well. This is the Nude Balm. I love a nude. Again, this is all wrapped with plastic wrap. I'm not going to unwrap it, but I'm sure I will love and enjoy that shade. Okay. Keep going. So many items. Brushes. Here we have a large shader brush. Not sure the brand. Super soft. Love brushes. And this one here is from, I can just tell from the packaging, and I remember our conversation. It's from Complex Culture, which is Ipsy's in-house brand. And I love their brushes. This here is a concealer brush. Yes, I love it. It's a triangle shape, so thank you, Nola. Shut up. We also have something else from Viktor and Rolf. Oh, are you another perfume? Interesting shape. I wasn't thinking perfume. But what else does Viktor and Rolf do? Watch this be a lipstick. I had no idea they did lipsticks. Guessing it's just a really nice spritzer type. If I can ever get this small box open. I don't like ripping boxes. Come on. Come on. Oh, is it taped? That was hard. Yes, this is a perfume. Look how pretty. It's like a burgundy red. And this is the Viktor and Rolf Bonbon. I think it smells beautiful. I'm sure it does. I love Viktor and Rolf, but all I can smell is the wonderful, fantastic Kayali. All right, what else came in this box? Something else wrapped. Yes, she knows how much I love hand creams. This here is Pistache skincare, and it's a hydrating hand cream made with pistachio oil. Never heard of such a thing. Does it smell like pistachios? All I smell is Kayali, and it's safety sealed, but I'm sure it's fantastic. Thank you. And here we have a little sample from L'Occitane, and this is coconut milk. I love coconut scent. All right, and the last item, I think. Yes, the last item. Did you recycle the paper I sent you? This looks familiar. We have a palette. Ooh. All right, so this is from Morphe collab with Manny MUA, and it's the Glam Palette. That is beautiful. Very neutral, but what I would consider adventurous, slightly neutral. There are some burgundies, and these on the side I'm assuming are maybe highlighters or eyeshadow toppers. You can use it for anything you want. OMG, thank you so much. I have a feeling this video is really long, otherwise I normally would recap and hold everything up again. But there were so many items. I want to thank you so much. This was such a fantastic box of goodies. Way more than I anticipated. I can't remember if you told me or if this, to me, came as a total surprise. Thank you for the foundation. I was aware of the Kosas. Cannot wait to try that. I think months ago you told me about this. I totally forgot. Love to try a new eyeshadow palette. I forgot until I saw it. I do remember this, I think, was one of the first items we said we'd swap. So many items. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. For my other viewers, again, if you ever see me unbox something and if you want to do a trade, let me know. I will package up everything, send it to you, and you can send me the same. We'll just do a little swapsy. Yes, because that way we aren't wasting products we receive in boxes that we don't use or won't enjoy. Or it could just be something as a duplicate or something you know I will love, as well as if we chat and get to know each other, I may understand certain shades and colors of stuff that you love. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I want to thank Nola again for sending me some fantastic items. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. If you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.